Ka Sorkar jylla kala Kyntait ya kajing dawa ban perking ya kajing wan kamai ki kali tourist taxi ki bana bar jylla. Da kabaong bakalong kabamyahap kat kum kaan. Kata da kaba ajing mudru ban khot ya kajing alang bat ki try hotel, resort, bat ki tour operator, ban penslur ya kajing pedan kam da ki tourist taxi na kajela. Ya kanika rai la shim ha kajing alang bala penya da usembut menteri rangba. Ubak mi ya katana transport ubak sengab halang dhar. Haringkat ke kinhun kinongalam ke All Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association AKMTTA ha ka khatnriu tarik no pra. Nila yo ban pelong ya kajingalang ka basay so bha bat ka basngotanan ong ubat singa bhalang haba kren shakilat pathai kubor. Na kalyang ka AKMTTA kalakar pat ban perking ya kajingwan kamai jungi kali tourist taxi ki bana bar jylla shakija ka jungok kai ki badan hakeleng ke jylla Henry na kalyang uba singa bhalang ula ong bakani kalong ka bamla banle katkum kaan. Katkum kaan kamlong ka basyong hong ban khang hi kali ki bawan nabar syakani ka jylla kilas ngothu bha ya kani. U Advocate General AG ula pun pau bakaan kam syak satya ban khang ya ki kali ki banabar bakinwan syakani ka jylla ula banram. Henry na kalyang ka Sorkar kala menjur ban kerpat iki try hotel, resort, bat ki tour operator bakin iakren ki tourist taxi ki badai na kajela. Ngin sakot ki try jung ki hotel ki resort bat ki tour operator bat kerpat ki bakin pendan kam ya kajing syakri lingba ki tourist taxi na kajela ong udhar haba pentip ba an sapelong biang ya kajing alang berkaseng ki nongnya taxi ha ka kerdan jung ki officer katana transport ba tourism. Usembut menteri rangba ula banjuru ya kajing don kam ya kinong penyat local taxi bakin ban ha kabayade bakajing khu jing suba bat ka akor ka buram. Ngi kerpat ki local tourist taxi bagi kali jongki ki de banlong ki babha ki bakhuj basuba bat kinongnya ki de banlong ki badan ya ka akor ka buram knang baki bawan sha Meghalaya kin sngotanat bat kemen ya kajing syakri ka jongki ula ong.
This meeting is in continuation with the previous meeting which I had with them, and today at least we had a very fruitful meeting, very positive one. So yes, there is something which we cannot do from the government because in little with the illegalities, so and they understand properly, and there is some new decision from them, so we are yet to examine it, and even tomorrow so we are continuing to have a meeting with them with the transport, tourism and associations, maybe at what time, not at my level, my officer level. So they, you know very well, they request about not to allow the outsider, but that is as per law is not legal, so they understand properly. So hopefully we are here to trying to help our people in such manner so that nobody should harm, and they are very much happy with the meeting. So we also from the government side, especially from the transport and tourism, we are very positive with them. So today is a meeting which is very good, I should say. So it will take some time because there is few suggestions from them, they suggest us, and which is a very valid suggestion also. So we are on the process of examining it. They suggested that, but AG is with me today in the meeting, and which is legally does not allow to stop other vehicle coming from outside the state. And yes, another suggestion come from them. So why don't you call the hotel or resort, request them to use the local taxi, and it is accepted by us, and we will call all this hotel and this resort and even this all this tour operator within the state, so we'll request them to use our local taxi, and provided we request them also their vehicle should be fit, should be neat and clean, and the driver should be fully disciplined, so at least the outsider who come in Meghalaya, they should be happy with our driver. That is the main left part with about that we are yet to discuss with the hotels and with this owner resorts, and to express them, our boy has expressed us to request you to use their vehicle. And yes, maybe some good vehicle are available with the outside states, so even we also we have to prepare for the good vehicle, like Innova, and they are having all those vehicles. So we told them you bring all the association together and discuss with the tourism and the transport. They will form a new apps to make sure that we are visible in the eyes of the world. We are having a good, competent travelers, tourism and tourism driver and the travelers. So tomorrow, one of the agenda they will discuss this. I advise them today. So tomorrow, with the transport and the tourism and with the association, they may form a common apps. So maybe in that apps when everything's registered, so we may verify from the government that these are the good driver has been verified by the concerned department. So the outside who came, they feel safe to travel with our own driver.